Hi everyone, welcome to my cyberspace. In this video I'm going to be talking about understanding Excel interface. In case you don't have Excel installed, apparently Excel is not free. You want to have Excel installed. You might just want to head over to Microsoft Excel. You can sign up for free or get your plans, or somehow just have it installed. But at this juncture I want to assume that you have Excel installed, and let's just open it up. So there's so many things. We are not trying to create like a pivot table. We're not doing all of these things, but we just want to open a blank report. So we click on the blank report, and most of the times there are some terminologies that is best that you know. So this is called a row. This is called rows. So this is row A, row B, row C, and this is called column 1, column 2, column 4. The question is, why do I need to memorize this terminology? This is really going to help you and save you a lot, especially when you are speaking to like data folks. So the vertical view is the column, while the horizontal view is the row. So columns and rows. So Excel is basically columns and rows, and that's one of the things you want to know. And you could also like put in the boxes. This is not trying to teach you how to use Excel for formatting or whatever. We are strictly thinking about Excel like as a data analyst. But most of the tabs you would need to, you could even do like a dashboard with Excel, right? In this series I'm going to be talking about how to use Excel to building a dashboard, like what you can build in Power BI. It could be more complex, but we could get there and get to do what we want to do. So that's something. So one of the things that you really do a lot is you would use this insert page. It's a pivot table. So pivot table is one way to aggregate data in Excel. It's like you're trying to pivot the table, and in the subsequent video I'm going to be talking about how to use pivot table like more better. So you could also like create a form. This is also recommended chart. So this is one of the things you would use. So all of this chart, this is a bar chart, this is a line graph. Most of the things you would really use as a data expert if you are going to be using Excel. And that thing also is you can also install like some packages which you might not need to do. You could also get data. This is if you want to connect Excel with say SQL. Yeah, you could connect Excel with your SQL database from a database. I actually could do that right now, but I don't want to. It's going to take time. So I do have my SQL database. I have analytical statement from my SQL server database. You just have to put in like the credentials, and like you'll be good to go. It's loading up already, and we could just my SQL server is data Jjay inside. So literally I could connect and like get data connected because I do use my current Windows. And but I think I need to do this Microsoft account, but let's go there. So that's one option. This is refresh in case you did something and maybe you loaded the data, you wanted to make sure that is like updated. But majorly like the ones you'll be using, this is also like what if analysis, forecasting. So major things that the tabs you would really focus on will be like the home page, the insert page, and this data page. That's majority of like the packages that you would have to work with in Excel. And if this video was a value for time, do want to subscribe, like, and follow. In the next video I'm going to be talking about how do we load in a data in Excel, and also like how to work on a real project with Excel as a data analyst. Thank you.